firecracker noise. That's all done.
We're filming.
We're looking the wrong way.
We are filming, asshole.
Tell your viewers what's gonna happen, man.
We're
What
about
do you tell the
to
viewers?
F it, blow that shit up right now. Probably gonna take like 5 minutes. Team Embole right here. We're gonna dominate beer pong in a couple of minutes. Whoa! Why would you say that about me? F you, man. Anyways, Team Embole. I'm gonna be Rookie of the Year, MVP, baby.
Check him out, check him out, check him out.
Check that out. That's dangerous.
Let's
Oh man, so
That just happened.
yes, son.
That's dangerous. Don't do that at home. That's strictly illegal. You should look out for the cops.
We're not around, we're good.
That's good. We got Paul Lopita over here. Thumbs up.
And now they're cleaning up the mess.
Hide the evidence.
Have evidence.
That blew up quick. I thought it was
We could get
gonna
a
take-
statement.
Ah.
Can we get a statement, sir? Can we get a statement? He's not paying attention to the viewers.
It's like effing cholo.
No, can we get a statement?
Team Embole right here. Embole NCL. We just blew up
Please, camera.
1,000 thing of firecrackers very loud. Drink beer.
We're gonna dominate in beer pong in like 10 minutes.
Stay tuned. There we go.
Stay tuned to the next episode in 5 minutes. Commercial break right now. We gotta go pay some bills.